Wild thyme has antispasmodic and antiseptic properties. It is prescribed for digestive disorders, such as bloating, slow digestion, belching and flatulence. Serpyllum can also be effective as an expectorant for coughs. Finally, it is used to treat cases of blocked nose, colds, rheumatism, and sprains. The thyme is a small perennial herb, very common in France. It grows especially on dry and limestone soils. The stems grow horizontally and straighten out at the ends. The leaves are narrow, oval, flat, and wider than those of common thyme. The flowers are pink or purple and are very fragrant. Today, it doesn't show any toxicity. Seek medical advice if you want to use essential oil internally. Please note that plants are not harmless remedies. Never exceed the indicated doses. Subscribe to Soul Society for more video and check out the description below to get more information. Thanks for watching.